Hunger is one of the most severe problems faced by the mankind in the modern era. Millions of people from African, Asian and Latin American countries are suffered with severe shortages of food. Economic downturn, climate changes, natural disasters and social chaos could have created this situation. Whatever the reason it goes, primary solution for the problem is to increase the food production. However, increasing the food production is barred with many problems. One of the main problems is a lack of suitable lands for the cultivation. Due to the rapid industrialization, lands available for the agriculture have been limited in a great deal. On the other hand, a considerable amount of lands have become unusable due to the pollution or natural reasons. Hydroponics is an alternative agricultural method which does not need any soil. It uses nutrient-filled medium for growing plants. Therefore, the crops grown in hydroponics environment are free from various soil-related diseases. Currently, there are different hydroponics environments available. However, most of the available hydroponics environments need a lot of manual work. We combine advanced information technology with agricultural techniques to enhance the food production as well as to enable a sustainable environment. The architecture of the system is centralized around the e-box. Here, the system consists of a water level controller, fertilizer controller, EC pH controller and ventilation controller as well as the controllers for light, heat and humidity. Also, a camera is included. For this application, we use technologies like Windows Embedded CE, .NET Framework 2.0, ASP.NET and C#.NET. We use small containers for planting. Here, some holes are made in the bottom of the containers before being filled with sand. After the plant has been placed inside the containers, they are placed on the rigid-form board upon the water container. We have to connect pipes for the water supply, fertilizer supply and to the tank in this way. We connect main controlling units to e-box in the following manner. The fluorescent light is used to control the lighting for the hydroponics environment. The EC sensors detects the EC levels of the water medium. When the water level decreases, the valves get activated automatically and fills the required amount of water. Here, the water level is detected by this kind of a ball valve. The water gets bubbled automatically whenever the fertilizer required to be mixed. Here, the sensors are continuously employed for monitoring the environment of the hydroponic system. According to the dynamic real-time data, actuators do not do the necessary adjustments to the system, making it adaptive to the environmental changes. Here, the user can monitor the plant through the web server hosted in the e-box. Real-time data related to the parameters like heating, water level and lighting can also be viewed. So, interacting software components can identify diseases depending on these data. Therefore, the hydroponics environment can be adaptive according to the environmental changes. Target market for the product would consist of several parts. This includes farmers of large hydroponics farms, home gardens, food distributors and researchers. We are using an embedded system for this application for basically three reasons. First is, it uses a very lower amount of power. Secondly, the complexity of the design. And thirdly, the physical constraint.